off the coast, slices of Macau, of the city, exploring Macau streets. Fish Gill, Travessa da Guelra, slices of Macau, near the ocean.
Okay, in my effort to film all the different stuff in Macau, streets in particular, that's kind of cool, I'm focusing on this particular street right here called Guelra. There's some construction, it's a really small street, but I'll try to explain a little bit of other stuff while I'm here, and that'll be our focus, and I'll tell you about where I'm at now, and give you another slice of Macau. So stay tuned, let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Kind of cool, all this shipping stuff. By the way, this is kind of an industrial area. And as you can see, there's like some docks and different stuff all along this whole way. And this is all on reclaimed land. And this particular street, we're going to show you the name of the street in a minute. But this street is Demetrio Cinatti. It's like an Italian guy who kind of go around like that. So we're going to go down that. Our target street is right on the corner there. So we're going to go down to that. But we're on what's reclaimed land. So once upon a time, Macau was a little bit different than it is now. And this was part of the ocean, but it was like not very suitable for the docks and stuff like that. So an engineer who goes by this name right here, Demetrio Cinatti, lived in Macau and was part of the Navy. So he did like civil engineering where he built all this stuff and all that over there. So that's what that street is. This one is our target street, and there's a lot of construction going on. The construction is because they're building a train line. So the train line is going to come right up this way, which will probably transform this area quite a bit. And we'll give you a little bit of context of this area. We're going to look for our street sign, I don't know if I can find it, but this particular street is also on reclaimed land, so all of this is reclaimed as well. And then over on that side is all the historic Portuguese stuff like about a block in, where Patane would be up in this area. So we're gonna go up to there, and then we'll kind of give you a better idea. So yeah, I don't see our name of our street at all here. So we're gonna go, I guess we're gonna go up like this. So that's all part of ours. A lot of construction. So yeah, this Patane area used to be Patane Village. So we're on reclaimed land at the moment. And the reclaimed land was a civil engineer, was the guy that we just showed you his name. And he would have created all these docks. And then this is a little overpass under Guelpha Travessa. So let's go up a little bit more. And the train line, they're gonna build it so it goes all the way around Macau. Okay, so we'll just kind of look down these streets. Kind of a short street, but one of my goals is to try to document all the different streets in Macau. So that's this particular street. So okay. So yeah, that is all kind of goes inland, and all this stuff was on reclaimed land. So it's kind of this more higher, I think it's like 5-6 stories. Usually I think it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and anything on the 6th or above is supposedly illegal and built on top of it. And I guess you can kind of see that. You can see that there's like different random stuff that looks like it was built up above. That's Pont 16 down that way. Let's take a look at this side. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, and then you can kind of see like a whole other world up at the top. So you can see kind of differentiate different kinds of stuff and things like that. It's kind of interesting. Anyways, our particular street was this little Travessa, really small little street, which now has an escalator. And it'll be interesting as they build this train line that goes through this. It'll be interesting to see like what they do with these, if the ports change or if it becomes more beautified or something, I don't know. And yeah, our street is basically like this, right, this little area right here, from that to that. All right, so this is Macau for you.